Today is day 17 of my journey cycling across Korea. Though I won't even be touching my bike, as today I have a full day to explore the city of Daegu. Annyeonghaseyo wonders, welcome back to the channel. It's about 8:15 in the morning and today we are exploring Daegu. I only have one full day here and then I have to move on. Anyway, I'm about to head a little deeper into the city on the train. There are trains here in Daegu. As far as I know, I am meeting one of my students later. I'm an English teacher if you're just tuning in for the first time and don't know. I'm meeting one of my students later. I'm not sure if they will want to be filmed or not. We talked a little bit about it, but they said they're a little camera shy, but they didn't care also. So I don't know. Maybe you'll see them, maybe you won't. All right, that was fast. I made it through the train station and I'm deeper in the city now. This is the area where I'm supposed to meet my student because there's a park right around here that looked cool. We were looking for something to do. So the plan is to go to this park, walk across it. There's some stuff on the other side that might be cool. But I told you guys what I was gonna have for breakfast today, right? It's time. That was fantastic. Don't worry guys, I get McDonald's like maybe twice a year. It's very, very rare. But they didn't have any hot chocolate. So I'm going down to Paris Baguette down here to get some hot chocolate. I gotta feel the craving. So I'm in Paris Baguette now with my hot choco. I wanted to talk about what just happened though. When I was in McDonald's, there was like a guy who came in. I hate to use the word crazy because there was clearly some real issue, but I don't know what it was. Either some mental issue or he's on drugs or something's wrong. But he came into McDonald's and he was digging through the trash and then he went over to the balloons and he was rubbing them on his face and like giggling like a baby. And then he was like straightening everything and everyone just ignored him and then he left. Strange, but he didn't hurt anything. He didn't really see me while I was in there. I was kind of behind a pole. When I left McDonald's, he was still standing outside the building and he noticed me and I could tell like he was excited that I'm a foreigner and right away I could tell he was gonna run at me and he did, straight into my face like hello, hello, hello. He was a lot bigger than me and he definitely freaked me out for sure. At first I just kind of tried to ignore him, but he kept saying hello and like getting angry, so I was like hello and then he's like ah, and ran off and started digging in some other trash. It's the first experience I've had like that here in Korea. It was definitely weird. Yeah, I don't see him now. Not fun. My student has arrived in the city, but they have to get the train to come to this station. I'm gonna head down and I guess I'll meet them down there, I'm not sure. It's starting to get a bit cloudy. There was a chance of rain today, like for the last week. But this morning when I checked, it said just cloudy, so let's hope. Okay, so I'm with my student now. They don't want to be in the video, so. But we're walking through a park and this fruit that you can see here, the one that I've been showing multiple times during this trip, it's persimmon. I've never had it before. Obviously, I've heard of it, but they said it's really hit or miss, so maybe I can try it later. Anyway, we're just walking through the park now. There's a cultural center and museum and I don't know, some artificial waterfall probably. So we'll see what we find. Well, we found the waterfall, but it's an artificial waterfall and it's turned off. I don't know why. Why did they turn off the artificial waterfalls? I don't understand. If you're gonna build a waterfall, like, keep it running. Ooh, what's this? This is really, really nice. This tower back here is actually where we're going in a bit. It's Daegu 83 Tower. And from what I read online, it's taller than Namsan Tower in Seoul. So maybe the view's even better, I don't know. But Namsan's like on a hill. Let's just see. The view around this pond is gorgeous. Like as you walk, different views, but they all look so good. I love this part. And there's this little bird down here. I'm not totally sure what it is, but we're just talking about how like, where are the ducks and the swans? And then suddenly, right there. So right here in the park is the Daegu Art Center. I'm curious, but at the same time, remember a few videos ago when we went to that gallery and it was like a bunch of rocks and it cost a little bit? I mean, this is much bigger than that, but it's just cool that this is right like in the middle of the park. Turns out there's a temple in this park. It was beautiful, and honestly the first one I was able to really enjoy in Korea since I had someone with me who actually knew what I was and wasn't able to do. It was really nice. So we walked a bit further and we're now passing by this like stadium. But on the other side, there's the tower and everything, but also there's like a roller coaster and it's actually going right now. I guess there's a theme park here? I don't know. It definitely sounds like it. Very cool. So this line over here we just passed it's like, is it every day or? Okay, they give free meals to elderly people in need, but the line is crazy long. So hopefully some percentage of those people are lying and they're not all in need, because that is a really, really long line. We couldn't even see the end. Anyway, we're headed toward the tower now. Some people said to go this way, so hopefully it's right. We're passing by the roller coaster, but you can't really see it that well. We are almost to the tower. It's like inside this theme park. So the theme park here is eWorld, but you can go to just the tower. You don't have to go to the whole theme park. But to get here from the park is actually quite a walk. There's not an easy way in. You have to go pretty around it. We're almost there though, and most of it's uphill. It's not too bad uphill, but you know, if you have a problem with long inclines, you might not like it. We finally made it to the ticketing area. It's got bright out. Yeah, I see roller coasters and it's pretty cool. All right, but we're going up to the observatory way up there to see the whole city. This place is really cool. It's a lot cooler than I expected. I just picked this area randomly because it was close to the station. It worked out really well. We made it, but it looks like the top floors are all still being prepared. They're not open yet. So we're only on the 77th floor. There's 83 in all. The view is still nice. I can't tell if it's like bad air pollution today or it's kind of foggy in the distance, but so from here we can see the park that we were just at, with the whole pond, the cultural center. I'm pretty positive I can see the bridge where the last certification center we got was. We'll go back across that tomorrow and head on to, I don't know where. I don't know what the next city is. We'll see tomorrow. We're done here. We have a taxi on the way. This was really cool. If you find yourself in Daegu, I would honestly highly recommend it. Like, and check out eWorld. We didn't have time to do that today, but it's probably great. So we took a taxi to this area because the taxi driver said that there's lots of places here and it's open, there's lots of food. Everything is closed. Like all the stuff we're looking for at least. It's all closed. But we're headed toward the station now because they have more stuff there. We might find something. I'm in the express train station right now. My student just left to head to Busan. I'm looking oily. Ugh. They've got to meet up with some other friends there. They're Korean, but they live in another country. They're just visiting for a while. So running around, meeting lots of people, doing lots of things. If you watch this, I really appreciate you taking your time to show me around and do things with me. It was really nice to talk to somebody else today, even though you guys didn't really get to see them. It was very nice to have someone show me things and teach me things and just communicate with somebody. I've been talking to just a camera for weeks, so that was very nice. Maybe see them again in Busan, who knows? Let's see if schedules match up, but it was fun. Had a good day. I truly just want to chill for the rest of tonight until I have to cycle again tomorrow, and I need to figure out the route for tomorrow. I don't know where I'm going or where I'm staying. I know nothing. We're just gonna head back to the room and do that.
2 hours later.
Okay, before I totally end today's video, she gave me 2 Korean snacks. So this one is a bun thing. I've definitely seen these around, but I hadn't tried it yet. And this one, I don't know what it is at all. Let's try the bun first. It's really good. I like it. Not bad at all. Let's try this one as well. This one is so wrapped. The smell's not what I expected. It smells like a cookie. How strange. I found the flavor. You guys are gonna think I'm insane. This doesn't look like it would taste anything like what I'm about to say it tastes like, but it tastes like a funnel cake. I'm telling you. The aftertaste especially. Obviously it doesn't have the powdered sugar on top of it, and the consistency's totally different, but that's the taste of a funnel cake. That's weird. I don't know what this is. She might have said what it was, but I forgot. Pretty good though. I'd recommend trying both of these.